Well, this is one of the most talked about smartphone, the Realme GT6. Yes, we showed you the Realme GT60 and now it's time for the GT6. And we give you our first impression of this smartphone that's been launched in India today. Okay, so the GT6 comes in two colors. That's the fluid silver color and the razor green. Very good looking smartphone, very impressive at the first go. It has a nano mirror back, as you can see, and yes, the back also has two texture, the matte and the metal. Yes, the two textures at the back, so it makes it look very different. The phone weighs about 199 grams and the form factor is very good. It's very handy to use at hand. And you can see it has 6.78 inches of AMOLED display with 600 nits of brightness display. And yes, there's Corning Gorilla Victus 2 glass that's given for the security. Well, talking about the resolution, it's a full HD plus 2780 to 1264 resolution that you get. Everything seems very clear on the smartphone. Well, we'll tell you about the display and the cameras and the battery and of course the other variants that you get into it. See the design of the smartphone, the Realme GT60. Yes, this has a nano mirror design which is matte with metal. Yes. Let me tell you, there's a different mode of camera lenses that are given in this smartphone. You'll be surprised to know there are about 3 different brands for the 3 lenses. So let's get started with that. First up is the Sony LYT-808, which is a 50 megapixel lens that's been given with the f1.69 aperture and OIS. Yes. Another one is again a 50 megapixel lens, and that's Samsung JN5 that's been given with the f2.0. The third one, that's ultra wide. It has Sony IMX355 f2.2 and this is an 8 megapixel. Like I told you, it's for ultra wide. The front of the smartphone is 32 megapixel f2.45. Yes, these are the kind of camera lenses given. We're showing you some picture samples here from the GT6 and you take a look. How do they fare? Well, talking about the video, it has a video which is 4K at 30 frames per second at the maximum setting. Battery, it has a 5500 mAh battery with about 120 watts of SUPERVOOC charging, and yes, this one works on dual SIM. Realme GT6 has the UI 5.0 and this one comes in 16 GB and 512 GB internal storage. This one has the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor that was recently launched. And now the best part, well, the pricing of the smartphone is 35,999 rupees. Yes, so that's the pricing for the GT6 that's been launched in India, and we gave you the first exclusive look and first impression of the smartphone. Stay tuned for the review very soon.